everyone, and here at the 40th KIMES here in COEX, very excited to introduce you to some of these companies that are up and coming, these startups that have a lot to offer the medical industry. It's the 40th KIMES, so we're very excited to introduce you to kind of these new ideas, these new features, especially when we're talking about AI. That's a huge part of the medical field. So I would like to introduce you to someone who is CEO of one of those companies right now. Thank you so much, Jaden, for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me.
Of course, can you introduce yourself and the company as well?
Okay, so my name is Jerry No, and I'm the COO of my company, Eitustudio. And actually, I recently joined my company, so I'm very excited to have a chance to introduce my company and about the story about like our company.
Yeah, can you tell us about that story a little bit? Maybe the background of where they started. Was it always AI? What's the company about?
Okay, so our founder and CEO Shin-gi Park actually had an experience working in the automotive field, and I also was an automotive engineer. So we have like same background.
That's pretty cool.
And like he had a lot of chance to work with computer visioning and also the AI technology. So he thought like maybe we can apply this, cutting edge technology not only to the vehicles, but maybe beyond the big vehicle. So he actually found the opportunity on the for the medical and healthcare market, especially for the seniors.
Great. Oh, well, let's talk about that a little bit. The product that you offer with the seniors especially, what field or what area are we talking about?
So our company actually make a medical device, but this is a software. So we call it the SAMD, which stands for this software as a medical device. So we develop a software that about the gait analysis. So that means that we are developing the gait analyzer. So we analyze gait in totally different way how the traditional gait analyzer like analyze.
Oh, great. Okay, well, let's apply that to the Korean market first. What are the needs of the Korean market? Are you focused on the Korean market now? Tell us about the Korean market.
Okay, so first we are now like focusing on the Korean market, and because it's a medical device, there is like really high standard regulation on this. So I think the Korean market is one of the like hardest the market to enter for the people who develop the medical device. So because of the regulation, we struggled a little bit, but we got a KFDA Class 1 certification on our device. But since we are the software developing company, we need some flexibility.
Sure.
But because our product name Medistep is also a medical device, there the high regulation will be applied. So that's one of the things that we are struggling right now in Korean market.
Well, tell us about your future plans. So before we got on camera here, you were mentioning your plans to maybe go internationally. Is that something that you're working on?
Yes, so that's the reason why actually I joined this company. So we have a plan to expand our business into the global market. So we are especially aiming to the aging population all around the world, but especially the Japan and Europe and US market, because they have a large population.
A lot of old people.
Yeah, so our medical, we used our product Medistep to analyze the gait, and through that analyze, we can detect the mobility issues early, in the early stage. So we really think that's gonna be really helpful for especially like old people. So that's the reason why we are targeting Japan and Europe and US.
Right, of course. I mean, all large markets, especially with Japan being an aging population as well. So certainly a lot to go into there. Let's talk about, right now you're here at KIMES 2025, and you're also part of the Inspire Pavilion. What are your goals for this week, and how do you hope being a part of the Inspire Pavilion will help you achieve those goals?
as I mentioned, that we are planning to expand our business to the global. So we are now actively looking for the strategic partner and also investors to someone who's going to join our like journey to the next step. So I think this is a really good opportunity for the startup like us can find someone like who can like support us and also who can make our vision come true.
Okay, well, here's a surprise question. We didn't talk about this beforehand, not a hard one, but I'm curious. You come from the automotive side, and now you're in the medical side of things. Do you find, what are the big differences that you've experienced jumping into the medical side, coming from an engineering background, right? Or are there similarities?
Similarity, I think we are dealing with a like cutting edge technology. It's a like same thing. But, and also one more like common thing is that we make something for the human being, like their life become better. So we develop the technology that can actually help people. So that's the common thing. And I think one thing different is that like it's not actually about the field, but it's about the product that I am like making. So car.
Car's a car.
Yeah, car is a car. So we have to really care of the safety. But
true,
our product, we also care about the safety. But because we are software, we don't like attach something or we don't.
You can't just
like,
put an airbag on it to make it safer.
because,
Yeah, so it's a different engineering perspective you have to bring in. I think it's fascinating though, the idea of that in the end the human is the end goal, making their lives better, and I think that is a great way to link those two. Okay, so again, congratulations on being part of the 40th KIMES. Is there anything that you'd like to say? Congratulations, message of any type to KIMES.
Okay, so KIMES, congratulations for your 40th anniversary, and I'm really happy to be part of this like great event, the exhibition. And at the same time, I think you're very lucky to have our company in your 40th anniversary. So we are going to grow really fast and we're going to expand our business to the global market. And I think this KIMES will be a really good way to go to the next step. So thank you very much and congratulations.
And thank you, Jaden No, CEO, for coming in and
I'm COO.
COO. Make sure that's good. COO.
Yep.
And delivering your product to us and your information. Thank you so much.
Thank you.